Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're looking to start your career in tech and want to join one of the most innovative company in the world, then today's video is just for you. We are diving into an exciting job opportunity at IBM that could kickstart your career in system and technology. So, if you are ready to learn about the role of a system support representative and how you could potentially land this amazing position, keep watching. So the role name is of course of system support representative at IBM, and let's understand a little bit about the company. So IBM is one of the largest tech and consulting companies globally. Is currently hiring for a system support representative across various locations in India. So this is an entry level role, making it perfect for new graduates who are eager to dive into the world of tech. So let's break down the this role into all about as a system analyst what you would be doing and all. So your main job is to provide on-site installation, maintenance, and repair of both IBM and multi-vendor systems. This means you'll be working with hardware, networking products, software, and operating system. So it's a great fit for if you enjoy hands-on technical work with problem solving. So here are the core responsibilities for these positions. You can see on the screen. So your roles and responsibilities as mentioned over here. So it will sound something like you will be a primary technical interface for customers, ensuring that issues are resolved promptly and efficiently. You'll be troubleshooting complex technical problems and providing solutions to keep things running smoothly. You'll also be working in collaboration with the clients, vendors, and senior management to deliver top-notch service. So to be eligible for this role, here's what you all need. So the requirement they have already put here. Required skill is bachelor degree in computer science, EC or IT, with no backlogs in your academic record at the time of selection. So even if you have a backlog as of now, you must clear it at the time of selection. So and also you should have a passion for helping customer and knack of technologies. So that's it, and let's discuss about the company. So IBM is, it's not just a company; it's a place where you can grow and learn. As an IBMer, you will have the opportunity to experiment, innovate, and develop your career. Plus, you will also be working alongside some of the brightest minds in the industry, collaborating with people from all over the world. So, and its best part, that IBM offers a hybrid work arrangement. You will have flexibility in a job. Some travel may be required based on business demand, but that is just a part of the exciting world of technology. So that's it about the very good role at IBM. If this role sounds like a great fit for you, then don't wait. Apply now and take the first step towards joining one of the most respected tech companies globally. IBM is looking for growth mindset individuals who are always eager to learn and push the boundaries of what's possible. So that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips and job opportunities. Let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions or if you are applying for the role. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.